am a teacher. I am a student. I am a driver. Hello everyone. Welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy. In this lesson, we are going to learn another very simple and very useful English pattern. Today's topic is how to make sentences using be verbs with nouns. This pattern helps you introduce people, talk about jobs, describe roles, and talk about things around you. Let's begin. Here is the structure we are learning. Subject plus be verb plus noun. This pattern tells us who someone is or what something is. Now, let's break it down. In English, subject, who or what the sentence is about. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Then the be verb. Am, is, are. Finally, the noun. A person, place, thing, or idea. For examples, teacher, student, doctor, friend, car, book, city. So when we put them together, we get a complete sentence. Like, he is a teacher. Here, he is the subject, is the be verb, a teacher is the noun. Choosing the right be verb is easy. Just follow this rule. We use am with I, is with he, she, it, and are with we, you, they. These always match. Just remember the combinations. Teacher, student, doctor, friend, child, singer, driver, brother, sister, computer, book. These are very common nouns you can use in everyday English. Now, let's construct some simple sentences. With I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a driver. With he is, she is, it is. He is a doctor. She is a singer. It is a book. With we are, you are, they are. We are students. You are a good friend. You are boys. They are players. See? Very simple. This structure helps you speak about people and things in a clear way. Now, it's time to practice. Repeat after me. I am a student. He is a boy. She is a doctor. We are friends. They are players. Good job! Now you make your own sentence using this pattern. Think of any noun you like. Now, let's check your understanding. Fill in the blanks with am, is, or are. Say the answers out loud. Ready? Great. Oh, thank you. I am a teacher. She is a student. We are players. It is a phone. They are friends. Excellent work today. You learned how to make simple sentences using subject, be verb, plus noun. This is one of the most powerful basics in English. Use it when you introduce people, describe things, and talk about yourself. Thank you for learning with LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
See you in the next class.